Alright, so editor multi-cursor-paste controls pasting when the line count of the pasted text matches the cursor count. And you have two options here. Spread, each cursor pastes a single line of text, or full, each cursor pastes the full text. So let me show you what this looks like. Let's go with full first. Let's copy any 3 lines. Let's create 3 cursors and let's paste. And this is what happens. Each cursor pasted 3 lines. This is the full option. And then you have the spread, which is quite neat. So let's copy 3 random lines. Let's create 3 cursors and let's paste. And now each cursor will paste 1 line, right? So this is pretty neat. So I'm going to leave this one with the spread option.